To use an AI prompt in Microsoft Word, go to the AI Assistant at the top of your Templafy task pane. You can toggle the view and browse the different prompts. You can also search for a specific prompt. For example, you want to create an executive summary for this entire document. You can select the content of your document and choose the custom prompt. Tell the AI what you need it to do and click on Continue. You can also ask the assistant for additional suggestions if needed. Once you find the option you prefer, you can copy it to your clipboard or insert it directly into your document. Templafy AI Assistant will always insert the output where your cursor is placed. If needed, you can use another prompt to further improve your executive summary. If you need a new prompt that's not yet available, don't forget to suggest it to your admin team. For further assistance, remember to reach out to internal IT. Give it a try yourself and experience how the AI assistant can help you work more efficiently.